I think we're all pretty familiar with some of the heavy hitters of Japanese cuisine. We all love ramen, we all love sushi, but the thing I miss the most about my trip to Japan is even simpler than both of those things, and you almost never make it at home. Thank you for joining me. I'm Jim with Doesn't Pay Full Price, a channel where I break down how much it costs to make amazing food at home. And today we are tackling simplicity at its best, yakitori. Yaki meaning grill and tore meaning chicken. We're gonna break down a whole chicken, make a few skewers. We're not gonna add a whole lot of other ingredients because at the end of the day, all you really need is some good grilled meat and a couple beers and you're golden. Let's not waste any time. Let's just get into it. For the yakitori, I've got some bamboo skewers just soaking in water just so they don't burn when we throw them on the grill. And then I have a 5-pound whole chicken. You don't have to sit it like this, but say hi, chicken. Hi, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments and stuff. I don't know. This is low even for me. So let's start breaking this thing down. I think people are a little hesitant when it comes to a whole chicken, but we'll make it as easy as possible. Separate this into a bunch of different meals, a bunch of different skewers. Get yourself a real sharp knife, and we're gonna start by disconnecting the leg and thigh from the breastbone here. Kind of helps to just pop this little bone out and do the same on the other side. And now we have a flat surface to work with. Start by removing the breast here, find the bone in the middle, and just make a nice slice. Just kind of gently peel back and follow that rib cage all the way down, and that comes right off. You got one breast off, and then do the same on this side here. To remove the wings, just find the joint right here, make a nice cut. You got one wing, do the same on this side right here. 2 wings. To remove the leg and the thigh, just find that thigh bone and really just follow it right along. The leg and thigh come off together. Use this for soup, and that's the whole chicken broken down. Let me wash my hands. I know, I get it. It's not the most glamorous thing, but that whole chicken was 97 cents a pound. It was 5-pound chicken, so just under $5, and you have all of your favorite parts of the chicken. This is gonna go right into a pot. It's gonna get covered with water, and we're gonna make chicken stock. And now we're gonna start making some of our skewers. We're gonna take one of our legs, find the joint, and we're gonna separate the drumstick from the thigh. So to make our first skewers, we're gonna start with the thigh. I'm gonna take this skin off and save it in our skin pile. Yeah, it sounds repulsive, but whatever. It's a pile of skin. If you have a better name, I'm all ears. So to do the chicken thighs, we're gonna follow this bone here. Just kind of go little strokes. Okay, come on, grow up. Just right around the bone. I like to go underneath here. Just push up, that bone comes right out, goes in the stock pot. We're just gonna cut it into strips. We're gonna take 2 skewers and then just leave it on the ground. Not on the ground, but you know, on the cutting board. A couple skewers, go through once, fold it over, set that aside, and then we'll just do the same with the other thigh. Who doesn't love crispy chicken skin? So we'll do one of those right now. Just want to get your skin and just kind of cut it into even squares like this. A couple skewers, and just do it the same way. I said it was simple, I never said it was easy. This is the leg. This is my least favorite part of the chicken, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna debone this. Start up here, and then just make a couple short strokes. Follow that bone down the middle. Then you can kind of pull all the meat to one side. You can just cut down. There's a lot of tendons and stuff in there, so no big loss. All this is gonna go into the stock pot anyways. And then we've got our boned out leg. Just cut into squares, and then I might even throw on a couple onions. You could use green onions. Look at that. Perfect. Everyone loves chicken breast, so I'll do one more with chicken breast and some onions. So we're just gonna start by taking this skin off. And if you flip over the breast, you can see it's kind of 2 parts. If you just take this and pull down, that's your chicken tender. So I might save these for another meal, but we can use these chicken tenders. To make our tare sauce, we're gonna combine soy sauce, mirin, and brown sugar. Put that in a small saucepan along with some chicken stock, and then we're gonna let that simmer over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and thick and reduced by half, and then separate it into 2 bowls. One of these is gonna be for cooked chicken and one is gonna be for raw chicken. Just make sure you remember which one's which. When you're ready to cook, we are obviously not gonna put these on the grill plain. I'm gonna take half, we're gonna do Shio style. So just take a little brush them with white wine, and then just a little bit of salt. And then for the other half, just brush these with our mixture. You can already see the color changing. That is gonna caramelize on the grill and be so delicious. Now all that's left is to take these to a ripping hot grill, literally as hot as you can get it, for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, and then a couple minutes before they're finished, just brush them with some of your unused tare sauce, and they are ready to eat. This is definitely one I'll have to be making again. What more do you need than some grilled meat and a nice cold beer? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description below for all the recipes, and I will see you next time.